Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore one of the most powerful libraries in Python, Polar. Specifically, we'll be diving into how to find the lengths of all elements of a data frame using Polars. This is an essential skill for anyone working with data in Python, and I'm excited to share it with you. In today's video, we'll start by understanding why finding the length of elements in a data frame is important. We'll then break down the steps involved in doing so using polars and provide examples to help illustrate each point. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid grasp on how to find the lengths of all elements of a data frame using polars. So let's start with the basics. 1. In polars, a data frame is essentially a two-dimensional table of data. ... Each column in the data frame represents a variable, and each row represents an observation. Now, when we're working with data frames, it's often useful to know the length of each element. That is, how many characters are in each string, or how many elements are in each list. To find the lengths of all elements of a data frame using polars, you can use the ster accessor and then apply the len function. Here's an example. Let's say we have a data frame with two columns, name and description. The name column contains strings representing names, while the description column contains lists of strings representing description. Using polars, we can find the lengths of all elements in these columns by chaining together the ster accessor and the len function. For instance, to find the length of each string in the name column, we would use DataFrame *len. Similarly, to find the length of each list in the description column, we would use description. Apply len wow. Now, let's talk about why this is important. In data analysis and machine learning applications, it's often necessary to know the lengths of strings or lists in your data. For example, you might need to filter out rows where a string exceeds a certain length, or group by the length of a list. By using polars to find the lengths of all elements of a data frame, you can perform these operations quickly and efficiently. So, what are the from today's video? Firstly, finding the length of each element in a data frame is an essential operation in data analysis and machine learning. Secondly, polars provides an efficient way to do this using the ster accessor and the len function. Finally, by chaining together these operations, you can perform complex filtering and grouping tasks with ease. That's it for today's video on finding the lengths of all elements of a data frame using polars. I hope you found this explanation helpful in your journey to becoming proficient in Python data analysis. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them in the section below. And if you like this video, be sure to like it and subscribe for more content on Python and data science. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all our latest videos.